Hey everyone, welcome to our YouTube tutorial. So today we are going to draw letter X, X for xylophone. So let's get started. For xylophone, we are drawing 5 rectangles, one after other, in a sequence, just like I'm drawing. After that, make small circles, 2 circles in every rectangle, just the way I'm drawing, and then connect the dots to make the xylophone look really beautiful. When you like the video, please like, share and subscribe, and don't forget to hit the bell icon to get notified every time we post a new video. I hope you enjoy the video. Thanks for watching.